Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is December 6th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Tesla was down $5.96, so this does not look like much down, but it's significant in my opinion. So we closed at 10.0901. Post-market, we were down 85 cents. So we were above the support right here. So we were into the symmetrical triangle. We were above this support right here, and we have been trending above that support since October 25th, going up and down. And at the same time, take a look at what Stochastic has been doing. So Stochastic has been slowly going back down below 60 and even lower than that. It has been slowly coming down, and we broke underneath this important support here. So I don't think it bodes well in the short term for Tesla. It does not bode well in the short term for Tesla. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart, this is the first hour right here. We opened right here, went almost as low as 946.39, but then was pushed back up with a big volume. So if we look at the volume, so we had 5 million volume during the first hour compared to the average, which is 2 million per hour. So lots of buying pressure here. So some people took the opportunity to get in. Then second hour was even lower, and then we started to climb back. And now we have basically touched, and this is no magic, I cannot make this up. We have basically touched the support, which is now resistance, the third channel support, and we bounced on it. So we could not break it. We cannot break above it right here. We came up to it during the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th hour. Then after that, we came down, and now we are stabilizing a little bit. What I am afraid of is that this move back up, this pullback, does not have a lot of value. So Stochastic is at what? Is at 35. So this does not bode well for this pullback. So the two numbers that I would check if I were you, 1027.25, which is this value right here, and 1095. So we are between these two values. If it goes down here, I would expect the price to go back to 946. If it breaks this here, I think it can go easily up to this number, which is approximately 1047. That's what we can take a look for tomorrow in terms of the short-term trading on the 1 hour chart. If I look at the other indicators quickly, RSI below 50, MACD crossed over bullish. Okay, but MACD, it does not take a lot to convince MACD. After a big drop down like this, a little bit of a pullback might make MACD crossed over bullish, but it's not always right. So it's always nice to look at Stochastic, and DMI is so very bearish. Yeah, this is my take. So 1027.25 and 1095 are the two numbers that you need to check on the 1 hour chart if you want to trade something quick. And also, yes, today was a nice trade. Just to mention this, if you were on the 5-minute chart, look at the 5-minute chart right here. Okay, let me get rid a little bit of my drawings. So on the 5-minute chart, it was quite easy to spot that trade. I personally took it. This is the first 5 minutes, and then it went up and down. And I had this resistance right here. The stock did a triangle again, an ascending triangle, because basically this was the resistance right here, and we were making higher lows. And when we broke it right here, then it was a time to enter. We had Stochastic at 80. So if you see a stock break a resistance with Stochastic at 80, just go in and take the ride. It might not be a long ride, but it should be a ride. And then if you had entered here, maybe at 991, You could have rode this until stochastic went below 60 at around 1013. So that was $23. So for an option, it was approximately 2,300 bucks there. It's not too shabby for a day. Okay, let's see now. Let's put ourselves now into the daily time frame. The daily time frame is different than the 1 hour time frame. Everything is much slower and things are longer to appear. So on the daily time frame, yeah, we are underneath this support and nothing is very good here on that time frame. We have stochastic at 20, RSI below 50, MACD still crossed over bearish and slowly trying to go underneath zero. It has not reached it yet, but slowly going there. And we have DMI, and this is almost an event. So we have DMI that turned bearish here. Yes. So this support right here has now become resistance. So this is a resistance that the stock needs to break in order for it to mean that it's going to go back up. So in order to be long again, in my opinion, the stock would need to cross this resistance. I would say make it 1020. So at 1020, if Tesla goes over 1020, then maybe it means that it's going to start going back into this triangle. And then the next resistance to beat is that one here. If the stock cannot do that, then we are going to play here until we break 946. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.